In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Discord, so sometimes it could be really helpful. So let's get started. Firstly, all we need is just to open our Discord app. It works, by the way, for Mac and Windows, so this tutorial will be helpful for both platforms. The next step, all we need is just to open our settings. So in the bottom of the screen, all we need is just to find your nickname and avatar, and then just find the user settings, the third button. So click on it. And the next step, we need just go to settings, and this is our settings page, by the way, and we need to find app settings. So this is the third area. So this is the first one, the second one, and this is the third one. Maybe you have language and you don't even understand what is written here. So after that, we need to count the third line from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, and this is our language settings. So click on it, and here we can choose the necessary one, for example, English or other language you want to choose. So here there are a lot of them, by the way. So this is the way how you can change your language on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.